Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your project and going straight to Settings, Locate Project, then Python Interpreter. Once there, you'll see the active interpreter and a gear icon for options. Click the gear to add or choose interpreters because you want to link the right environment. Make sure to note whether you're using a Virtualenv, Conda, or System Interpreter. This initial check saves time later and clarifies whether you'll create, add, or simply switch interpreters. You now add or create the interpreter. Press Add and choose System, Virtualenv, Conda, or Docker. If you pick Virtualenv, create a new environment or browse to the existing venv path, point to venv/bin/python or scripts/python. exe depending on OS. For Conda, select an existing environment or create one inside the dialog. Once created, Pycharm will index packages. Make sure to set the interpreter for the current project, so your run configurations and linters use the correct Python. You finish by selecting the interpreter, clicking Apply, then OK. This activates it for your project. Once done, run your app and tests to confirm behavior. Make sure to install any missing packages the new interpreter lacks. If things go wrong, check interpreter paths and make sure the environment is activated in the integrated terminal. Also inspect Pycharm logs for permission or path errors. One quick fix: repoint to the exact Python executable rather than a symlink, and restart Pycharm to clear indexing issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.